Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my gorgeous COOSKY travel bag, which I have totally packed and ready to go for my next trip. I love this bag, you guys. Let me show you inside. First of all, it's this beautiful pink quilted color. You have a jewelry compartment, which I'll talk about later. And here on the inside, it folds open with so much space for all of your products. So you have 4 compartments to use. So here at the top, it's great for makeup, and also you have this compartment with these bands that holds in all of your larger items, and another pocket with 2 zippers. So if you have small bottles, you can get them from the top or from the bottom out of the compartment. So fits perfectly. There I have my makeup at the bottom, and then you just fold it up easily, and then it just zips up, and it's just really well made. It works great, and it fits everything I need for a long trip. It also has this really handy luggage strap, so you can just slide it on over the handle of your carry-on bag. There it is hanging. You can see it just organizes everything so well. It's perfect for a hotel, even for a trip like backpacking and you really want to get the most out of the space you have. I highly recommend it. You also have this wonderful jewelry organizer, which is such a bonus. It has compartments to organize 4 necklaces, and you have an elastic that will hold them in place with little pockets at the bottom. You also have a ring organizer, an earring organizer, and another compartment for other items such as bracelets. This bag really does have it all, and it's going to be all you need to organize your toiletries and jewelry for your next trip. This is a fantastic travel bag that also has the nice addition of the jewelry organizer. I just think this is the best one I've ever tried, and I'm so happy with it. I think you're gonna feel the same way, but that's just my point of view.